stated in our previous session, let's begin implementing the zero investment innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers from today. In this session, we will begin by building the theme of the lesson. We will then be initiating a hands-on activity by making use of some empty wrappers through which our students will be led to the various concepts of the lesson. Therefore, let's ensure we keep ready with us empty wrappers of packaging of any 5 items. For example, we can use the empty packaging of bread, medicines, cosmetic products, and other such items that clearly indicate the manufacturing and expiry dates on them. So now, let's build the theme of the lesson by initiating a discussion on some food items that are usually eaten for breakfast. Through this, the students will be led to understand the idea behind manufacturing and expiry dates. Begin by asking, what are the different food items you eat for breakfast? Some of the possible responses from the students could be bread, toast, poha, upama, idli, and other such breakfast items. Continue the discussion by giving a situation to the students. Ask them, if your mom sends you to a shop to buy a packet of bread, how will you make sure that you buy a fresh packet of bread? Accept all possible responses from the students. Once the students have responded, inform them that the expiry date mentioned on the wrapper helps us to understand when a food item may get spoiled and become unfit for consumption. As students learn to identify spoiled and fresh food items, it will aid in improving their critical thinking skills. Conclude the discussion by informing the students that we will now find out everything mentioned on empty wrappers through a hands-on activity. To begin this activity, let's first divide the class into 5 groups. Following this, distribute one empty wrapper to each group. Then, ask the students in each group to go through the information given on the wrapper that was provided to them. Working in groups will encourage the students to learn the importance of cooperation with each other. Tune in to our next video as we continue this activity to lead our students to the concepts of estimating the duration of familiar events, finding the approximate time elapsed, and computing the number of days between 2 dates.